Father,
I beg, forgive me, but I don't sin. The Lord bless you. Father, I dey into hookup. Can you imagine hookup at 70 years?
Jesus!
Hookup after 7 children.
Funke!
Hookup after menopause.
Jesus is Lord!
You know say this thing wey you dey see, you no dey judge this body o.
70 years old
engine wey I
man.
carry for here.
See, that your engine don't know.
Yeah! Yeah!
This man see father, you no know say this engine wey you dey see here still dey pour water.
You are a mumu
Any
man!
water when your engine dey pour, na leakage.
Jesus
Na
is
your
Lord!
radiator dey leak.
Apostle will hear of this.
This man no dey. Father, you no know say all the people I dey work with na politicians and yahoo boys. No be all these small yahoo boys. Yahoo boys wey get level, yahoo boys wey get other boys wey dey work for them.
To God who made me. Any politician wan carry you, he go lose election.
Jesus
Even
is
for your
Lord!
constituency, they go win am. Any yahoo boy wan carry you, he no go pick.
Funke!
Imaga go disappoint am.
Apostle will hear of this.
Fish.
I don see say wetin I come here to receive na insult. See that my silver I come confess. As I carry am come, na so I go carry am go. After all, na still my sin.
Yeah!
Can you imagine? Hook up after 70 years.
Funke!
Hook up after 7 children.
Jesus is
Hook
Lord!
up after menopause.
And who can say